go ahead and do day 5.
How did you get it so easily?
My little fingers.
Yeah. Aha.
Ah. Oh ho ho. Ho ho ho.
This is cute.
Is it cute?
I already saw it. And it might be because she then came flying out the thing.
Oh, she.
Is she?
Is it Daisy Duck?
No.
Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse. It's a Christmas mini. Wait, put her here so I can see her a little bit better. It's a little bit dark.
She gotta hold up.
You can lay her down. Oh my gosh. What is she holding?
Is it a book or I can't tell from here.
It does look like a book, huh?
I think it is a book.
That's fitting since I just opened up a book order.
There you go.
So I wanted to show you guys the new book that I got. I started getting into reading last January, so January 2023, and I started reading the Never After series by Emily McIntyre, and it starts with this book, Hooked, and I fell in love with it. And so I've been reading every single one of the books of the series. I've read Scarred, Wretched, Twisted, Crossed, and Hexed just came out, and I'm so excited to read that one. I haven't yet. Emily McIntyre came out with a collector's edition for the very first book, Hooked, and I pre-ordered it like back earlier this year in like May or June or July, and it just came in, and I'm so over the moon. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's a hardcover collector's edition. It has specially painted edges, and it says darling. It is darling. Like, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And the fact that I've read it already, like, I get to appreciate it so much more. And honestly, doesn't this look like something that you would read at Christmas time? It's just so beautiful. Like, it has nothing to do with Christmas, but I really think I've always admired people that have a particular book that they read at Christmas time or the holiday time. And so I think I might make this one, because I've always wanted to reread it. And like the other books, I definitely want to reread them at some point. Comes with a bookmark ribbon. You open it and there's a picture of Hook and Wendy, and it's just, oh, so good. These books are so good. And then you turn the page behind the picture. I'm pretty sure this is a legit signing, but I can't tell, so it might be a printing, but I don't care. Emily McIntyre signed it, and it says, darling, because even villains deserve a little bit of love. Emily McIntyre. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This book is always going to hold such a special place in my heart because it is the book that kicked off my reading journey. I grew up hating reading. I never was able to comprehend anything that I read. Everything was nothing caught my interest. And I finally was like, you know what? I really want to try to read a book this year, in January 2023. I really wanted to make that my New Year's resolution. And I was like, okay, I definitely know I'm going to like romance, but add a little bit of fantasy in there and Disney, like a retelling story. I was like, yeah, that sounds amazing. And the fact that there were multiple books in the series already, I was that much more excited to get into it. And I've seen so many referrals about this book on TikTok and Book Talk. And so I bought it, and like I said, I fell in love with it immediately. Yeah, it got me into reading romance, fantasy, smut books, and I love it so much. So much. So I can't wait to have a big bookcase display someday. I have a tiny little area right now. I can't wait to have a big bookcase display because this is going to be displayed so beautifully. Oh, I'm so excited. Earlier today, I recorded a little clip in my car and did not record the audio, which I'm so upset about, and I need to figure out why I didn't do that. But I was telling you guys about how I went to the dentist earlier this morning, and I love going to get my teeth cleaned, but It was the last time that I was going to this dental office. I'm 26. I've gone there for my whole entire life. So it was really sad and emotional that I was going to this dental office for the very last time. I've had the same dentist. It's been the same receptionist. I think they opened that dental office together like 40 years ago, something crazy long ago. The receptionist is going to be retiring. And so this was my last time seeing her, and it was just so emotional. We hugged, and she was saying that it was such a pleasure watching me grow up. And I was like, you're gonna make me cry. And so we got a picture together. I'll insert it here, and some of the clips of the inside of the dental office and the toy chest that we used to go pick out toys from as kids after we would get our teeth cleaned. And it was just so special. But yeah, I was just telling you guys about that, and how after we would go to the dentist as kids, whoever took us would take us to McDonald's afterwards to get a Happy Meal. And so I wanted to do that today, being as it was the last time I was going to this specific dental office. I wanted to go to McDonald's and get a Happy Meal, which we do that all the time already. We go to McDonald's way too much. But I just had to do it today and get a Happy Meal, and it made it so special. But yeah, so I'm going to still be seeing the same hygienist, the same dentist, just at a new office, and then the receptionist is retiring. So yeah, it was kind of a sad day today, but it'll all be okay. And yeah. Okay, don't mind our mess, but today I am going to try to finish as much packing as possible. I pretty much have most of my clothes. I need my jackets, underwear, accessories, toiletries, electronics, that kind of stuff. Oh, and shoes. I forgot to write down shoes. That was like a half yawn.